All right, welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. So one of the big questions that we get is, do I want a kit that I assemble myself or something turnkey that is ready to use? And people ask me, so what is the difference between the kit and the turnkey? So for the kit, you will have to build some type of platform or a stand to support the oven. Then we can provide you with a kit that will provide the insulation, the floor, the dome of the oven, the double door system. After that, you are going to have to provide some type of finish around the oven, not only to embellish the oven, but to protect it from the elements, as well as some type of chimney to exhaust the smoke out of the oven. When you get a kit from us, you are going to provide a stand, the finish for the oven, and the chimney. When it comes to a turnkey oven, we're going to have the oven fully built, fully assembled, already finished on the metal stand with the finish of your choice, which can be a stucco, it can be tile, it can be metal, and we'll also include the chimney. So pretty much the turnkey gives you something that is just ready to use and ready to enjoy. When it comes to the kit, the biggest question is what skill level do I need to assemble the kit? So the good news is that the kit is very easy to assemble. The floor tiles are already pre-cut and numbered. The dome pieces are a tongue and groove system. They just fit together. There is no cutting, there is no drilling, there is no cladding. There is really no masonry skills required. It just comes together very easily. Where some skills will be required is you will have to put the oven on some type of stand or platform, most often made out of masonry like cinder blocks and concrete. And then you're going to have to finish the oven, and that finish will have to be weather resistant. So it will have to be some type of stucco or some type of stone or brick finish, and that's where the most skills will be required. So when you buy a kit, you will be able to buy a stand. We make metal stands that are very easy to put together, and they are specially made to easily install the finish around the oven.